Welcome to Mechanical Simulation Corner. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can install COMSOL Multiphysics in your computer. So this is a crack software. This is why at first you need to disable your internet connection. And also your security. Turn off all the security. Now open your file explorer and open your COMSOL Multiphysics folder. You will find this ISO file here. So right click and click on open with Windows Explorer. Okay, now just click on setup. Our language is English. Click on next. As I am going to install the new file, so new console installation. Here you can see license format will be license file, and click here browse. Okay, click here solid squared. Here you can see the license file LMC console. Okay, just click on open. Now click on next. I want to install all the file. Destination folder, the where you are going to install. So I will change the folder. I want to install in my SSD. Okay, now click on next. Untick this, check for updates. Let's see. No, not necessary. Click on next. Do I actually need live link? Okay. Now just click on install. It will take some time. You can see our installation process is almost complete. Okay, the installation was successful, so I can close. So now I am going to open the software. Here is the folder console. Let's see the installation process was perfect or not. Okay, here is our window. So you have successfully installed the software. Thank you everyone.